Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me HP NY4504, and now I'm going to show you how to insert paper on this device. We first need to open the paper, maybe not the cover, but this part of the paper tray. Then you need to pull it in. And here, as you can see right now, we have a place to insert the paper. We can regulate the size, for example, if we want to insert envelopes, so maybe this is the size of envelopes. And here we have A4, A5, and other sizes. So insert the papers, the paper cards, and cool, that's it. Right now we can print, of course, if you have cartridges. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.